Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Applovin. This is ticker APP, and I'm loving this setup. We see a stock above all the major moving averages in a really strong uptrend and threatening a test of its recent highs. Now, I do see a little resistance here. Anyone who bought in the red box is underwater right now, but it's not a lot of upside resistance. And if we continue to see the stock market make new highs, then there's a high probability of this being able to chew through some of that resistance and drag price up and bring some of the moving averages up with it. We have pretty clear support right now, right around that 50-day moving average. And if I zoom out here, we can see that the 50-day moving average has been a long-term support zone. And we've seen this stock bounce off the moving average and then continue higher following that. And that's pretty much what we have here with Applovin. Sideways consolidation. Nice base of consolidation. A brief touch of the 50-day moving average and back off to the races. So I definitely think this stock is actionable here. In fact, we added it to our active trade list for members over at StockMarketMentor.com. So keep an eye on this one. We think it's good here as long as it can hold above that 50-day moving average. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see Dan Fitzpatrick's full active trade list that we have for members. It's like a shopping list of stocks. If you don't know where to shop in the market, Dan's active trade list has you covered, and you can see it, but you got to take a trial of Stock Market Mentor. Click that link, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.